Hey everyone, I thought I'd put my DIY budget always on internet van connection to the ultimate test. The ultimate test is a village I drive through every single day. There's absolutely no signal whatsoever. So we're going to drive down there now and I'm going to see if I can get anything out of the connectivity using the van connection. So this is going to be real simple. We're going to do 3 tests. 1, we're going to do a speed test out in the street. 2, we're going to do a speed test inside the van, and then thirdly we're going to do a speed test inside the van on the van Wi-Fi and see what the difference is. Looking at the EE coverage map for this area, the village of Chasewater is where we're going. You can see the signal is pretty awful. It's very weak outdoors and no indoors whatsoever, so this is going to present a really big challenge. So this system, if you haven't seen it before, I did a DIY always on budget internet system for this van, which consists of a 4G router, a SIM card and a roof mounted aerial. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the description below, but go check it out and then you'll see exactly what I did with this system. So we've arrived in Chasewater, just got here parked up. We're going to check the signal that we've got. So I'm just using fast.com to do a test on this. As you can see, there's pretty much no phone signal whatsoever, and I can't even load the web page. So this will give you an idea of how bad it is. I'll put the details overlaid with the speed test in a minute, but out in the village, there's absolutely no signal whatsoever. Like I was saying, you drive down into the village, you get nothing. Could be just an EE thing, but I literally get 0. As you can see on the speed test, it wouldn't even load the page. Right, so test number 2. We're in the van. I've shut all the doors to make it a fair test. Got fast.com on the go. Let's give it a try. Oh, we've loaded the page this time. And we are connected. That's a whole 1.4 meg of connectivity speed. That's not a great deal, is it? Okay, so test 2 in the van, that's coming back with 1.4 meg. That's not nothing, so that's better than what we had just outside. But still, 1.4 meg is not going to be a lot to get you to do anything. So just to recap, part 1, outside walking about with a phone, 5G capable. We've got pretty much 0, can't even load the web page. Inside the van itself, we managed to get 1.2, 1.4 meg, which meant you could load the page just about, but I would imagine it's pretty much useless for anything else. You can see how much of a dark black spot this is for connectivity. So with that in mind, we're going on to stage 3. So stage 3 is I'm going to fire up the van's internal internet connection with the roof aerial, and then we're going to rerun those tests and see what happens. Right, let's roll test number 3. I've got the door open because it makes no difference because the aerial's on the roof. So we're going to give it a spin and see what happens this time. Hopefully it'll be more than the 1.2, 1.4 we was getting before. So in conclusion, what we could see is even in areas where there's hardly any signal whatsoever, the system that I'm using, which I did for under 100 quid, will get you probably double whatever you would get normally either on your phone or just by a 4G itself. So that's it for this test. It's conclusive. Again, the budget DIY always on internet system that we built in this van for under 100 quid comes up trumps again. In low signal areas, we've effectively twice now been able to double our potential connectivity, which could mean the difference between able to get to send that sort of message or not being able to send that message or whatever. We got 3 meg and it was 1.4 before. We've repeated that in the first very test we did. Also in part 2 that I did, which is another video, which I can put down below, we actually ran it in a place where there's pretty good signal or reasonable signal, and we was able to get 150, 160 megasecond, which is unbelievable. You know, that's right at the top of what you might expect for that. So in conclusion, I don't think there's any more proof than required. This system will work great for you, so check that video out below. But anyway, if you've watched the video, please like it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. And I'll see you in the next one.